and a k. So you can flip 0 into 1 for a number of time equals to k. So in this question, you can flip only 2 times, means you can convert the 0 into 1 only for a 2 times. Okay, so you can convert this 0 into 1 and this 0 into 1. So you have to return the maximum number of consecutive ones after flipping. Okay, in the same way, in this question, you can flip any three zeros into 1, so the number of consecutive ones should be maximum. Okay, so let's understand with an example. So the flip number is k equals to 2. Okay, so I just convert this one or this one into, sorry, this 0 and this 0 1. So the size is 6. Okay, and if I convert this to 0 rather than this, then I will get 5 consecutive ones, which is minimum. I just have to return the maximum one. Okay, so how can I do this? I will put I and j pointer at the 0th index. Okay, and initially the flip will be 0. Okay, initially my flip will be 0. Initially my flip will be 0, I and j, and max length ml, which is int min, which is int min, and also I will create a length which is 0, and then I will traverse through while j is less than n. Okay, I will traverse the j into this size, and then I will check count. If nums of j is equals to 1, I just have to do j plus plus. Okay, if nums of j is equals to 1, then I just have to do j plus plus. Okay, then I just have to do j plus plus, else if it is not, then j will move here, because this will j plus plus, j plus plus, and this will the j will move here. Okay, and if it is not, then I will check if flip, in a else condition, I will check if flip is less than k. If it is less than k, then I will do flip plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, I will do flip plus plus and j plus plus. So the flip will 1 and j will move here. Okay, and then again this loop, this condition will follow. The flip will become 2 and j will be here. Okay, and this condition will after this will fall, and again there is an else condition. I will put an else condition where length is equals to j minus I. Okay, so so the j is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the length is length is 5 minus 0, which is 5. Okay, and the max line will be also 5. I will take maximum of length and max length, so it will all automatically convert it into 5. And after this, I will again check while nums of I is equals to 1, then I have to move forward the I. So the I will move here, and again I will do I plus plus and j plus plus. So this will follow in a same way when j is not equals to n. Okay, and after this I will find the length g minus I, and I just have to return max length. So let's write the code. First I will create int n equals to nums dot size, and int I equals to 0 comma int j is equals to 0, and also the flip is equals to 0. Initially all the variables are 0, and then I will create max length which is 0 and int length equals to 0. Okay, while j is less than n, then I will check if nums of I is equals to 1, then I just have to do j plus plus, if else again I will check if flip is less than k. Okay, then I just have to do flip plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, and if this condition is not followed, then I will write the else condition in which I have to find length equals to j minus I, and max length equals to maximum of max length comma length. Okay, and for I condition I just have to do if nums of I is equals to 1, then I just have to do I plus plus and then I plus plus comma j plus plus. Okay, and after this code I just have to do length equals to j minus I and max length equals to maximum of length comma max length, and then just return the max length. So let's run this code. Oh, the spelling of while is wrong. Okay, why this is showing error? 11. If nums of I, oh, I just have to do int min. Int min. If nums of j, I have to move the j, not I. So again run this code. Small j. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.